Bill, welcome to the campsite for your mock cattle drive. After leading the herd hundreds of pretend miles, we're hunkering down for the pretend night.
Wait, if we're only pretending it's night, then why is it so dark out?
Open your eyes, Jake.
Oh, you're right. Nighttime, daytime, nighttime, daytime.
He does this every night with the lamp, too.
Okay, I'm gonna go rustle us up some grub. I know on a real cattle drive, you heat these up over a fire, but I'm not allowed to start one because, well, you get it.
Wait, is he using the microwave?
Just be thankful. Plan A was blowtorch.
But she's not putting the can in the...
When cowboys make beans in the microwave, do they take them out of the can first?
It's a good thing it's nighttime because Lou would be so mad.
Take your eyes are closed again.
Ah! What happened to Winnie?
This is step 2 in getting your license. You see, marriage is also a test of humility. Therefore, you must pass this test of humility.
Is the humbling part that I'm wearing a daisy boutonniere because I would never?
This isn't the whole test.
You're gonna pummel him with pies?
Of course not. You are. 25 pies to be exact. That's how many it takes for the humility to set in.
I don't want to do this to you, especially because you're having such a great hair day.
First off, thank you. It's a new moose. Secondly, you have to, Noah. Please. This is the only way that Victoria and I can get married in this town. And I'd rather it be you than a weird stranger who loves throwing pies.
Okay, then. For duty.
Ha. You said duty.
Good shot.
Forgive me!
You know, for a guy who's never hit a single person during dodgeball, your accuracy is incredible.
Kiki Waka, Kiki Waka. Kiki Waka, Kiki Waka.